Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by simplifying these terms one after the other. And for this task, we will mostly be applying two laws of indices. The first law is that a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. And the second law is that a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Now, in this first term, we have 8 to the power x, but 8 is 2 cubed. So we can write this as 2 to the power 3 to the power x. Now, when we apply the second law to this term, we have 3 times 2 squared, which is 4, divided by 2 to the power x. This is equal to 1. When we apply the first law to this term, we have 3 times 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2, times 2 to the power x. And when we apply the second law to this last term, we have 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3x. Now, from our laws of indices, we can switch the places of these two powers. When we do that, then this term becomes 2 to the power x cubed. 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2 to the power x. This is equal to 1. 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 to the power x. Now we can write this term as 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power x to the power 3. Of course, you know that to get rid of these brackets, we multiply these two powers, and x times 3 is equal to 3x. Now, we have 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, the same here and the same here. So to simplify this equation, let us do a substitution. Let 2 to the power x be equal to the letter d. Now we can write this equation as d cubed plus 12 over d is equal to 1 plus 6d plus. Now, since these two numbers have the same power, we can write this as 2 over d to the power 3. And now let us move these two terms over to the left-hand side. We have d cubed minus 2 over d cubed minus 6d plus 12 over d is equal to 1. Now, when you look at these two terms, you'll see a common factor, which is 6. So we can write this equation as d cubed minus 2 over d cubed minus 6 into minus 6d divided by minus 6 is d, and 12 over d divided by minus 6 is minus 2 over d. This is equal to 1. Now, notice that here we have the difference of two cubes. And of course, you know that when we have a cubed minus b cubed, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we can write these two terms as d minus 2 over d times d squared plus d times 2 over d is going to give us 2 plus 2 over d squared Now, of course, we still have minus 6 times d minus 2 over d, and this is equal to 1. And now, when you look at these two terms, you'll see a common factor, which is d minus 2 over d. So we can factorize. We have d minus 2 over d into, when you divide this first term by d minus 2 over d, we have d squared plus 2 plus 2 squared is 4 over d squared. And when you divide this second term by d minus 2 over d, we have minus 6, and this is equal to 1. 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. So from here we have d minus 2 over d times d squared minus 4 plus 4 over d squared is equal to 1. Now we can factorize this using the table method. What are the factors of d squared? We have d times d. What are the factors of 4 over d squared? We have 2 over d times 2 over d. But this is negative, so let this be negative and this be negative also. Of course, minus 2 over d times minus 2 over d is going to give us plus 4 over d squared. Now, d times minus 2 over d is going to give us minus 2. And in the same way, d times minus 2 over d is going to give us minus 2. And of course, minus 2 is going to give us minus 4. So when we factorize this, we have d minus 2 over d times d minus 2 over d. And of course, here we have d minus 2 over d. Now, of course, this is equal to 1. And this times that is equal to d minus 2 over d cubed. And this is equal to 1. Now, when we take cube root of both sides of this equation, we have that d minus 2 over d is equal to 1. To get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through this equation by the denominator d. D times d is d squared. Minus 2 over d times d is minus 2. And 1 times d, of course, is equal to d. Now, when we rearrange this quadratic equation, we have d squared minus d minus 2 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of minus 2 that add up to minus 1. And of course, those are going to be minus 2 and 1, because minus 2 times 1 is equal to minus 2, while minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So when we factorize the left-hand side of this quadratic equation, we have d minus 2 times d plus 1 is equal to 0. And from here, we have that either d minus 2 is equal to 0, from where d is equal to 2, or d plus 1 is equal to 0, from where d is equal to minus 1. Now let us go back to this substitution. We have that d is equal to 2 to the power x. And of course, for real values of x, 2 to the power x can never be negative. That means that this value of d is unacceptable. So we have that 2 to the power x is equal to 2. Of course, this is 2 to the power 1. Now that we have the same base on both sides of the equation, we can equate the exponents. When we do that, we have that x is equal to 1. So the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is x equal to 1. Now to check our answer, let us substitute 1 for x into the given equation. We have 8 to the power 1 plus 3 times 2 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. Is this equal to 1 plus 3 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, of course, 8 to the power 1 is 8. 3 times 2 to the power 1 is 6. Is this equal to 1? 2 squared is 4 times 3, that is 12. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. 2 plus 12 is 14. And of course, 14 is equal to 14. So when x is equal to 1, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.